Welcome to Ramada Seekonk Providence Area. Make us your Rhode Island wedding hall and benefit from 11 rooms or just 1 or 2. Experience excellent value, great comfort, and a consistently fine stay when you choose our hotel. In all, we have nearly 16,000 square feet of configurable space and have plenty of experience hosting weddings of many different sizes. These photos prove what a beautiful, meaningful experience we can help you create. Celebrate your special day with us. Our wedding hall includes with 4 event spaces and can accommodate up to 520 people. Book now with us and experience the best in comfort at a price you can easily afford. At Ramada Seekonk Providence Area, we're ready to exceed your expectations. www.providenceramada.com